So this is a little journal that I made for April Storm's paper studio. I used her new kit called Aviary of Whispers, and you can find that in her paper studio. I had the box, and this is what my inspiration for the journal was. So for the box, all I did was just cover it with the same piece of fabric that I used in the journal, and then I used another piece here so that you can easily get it out. And just as your little wrap that comes with a little specimen card. And now let's flip through the journal. So this was some Asian fabric that I had, and it had a bird on it, so of course I chose that. And there's all kinds of birds in this journal, and I printed on both sides. There's a little tag there. The journal is quite simple, not a lot of decorating. There's another little book that I printed again smaller. Some eco-dyed paper. I didn't want to puff it up too much because I knew I had limitations of the box. A couple of sheets of paper, some music, the typical pages that I put in my journals. I used a couple of bird books. This is week 3's challenge, and it was specimen cards and maybe a little envelope. She said something about vellum, and I said, well, that's fine. We can make a vellum pocket to hold them. And they're in the coloring book pocket. These are just things that I had. That's a little Rolodex card. And again, I used the book page that you'll see later on. A little tab here, starting the second signature. There's the book page, and there's the plate that tells you what birds they are. That's a little paper bag. I decorated both sides of it. Piece that I had in my stash. I put it over top of the bag. It's an index card that I decorated. A little pocket. I'd have to find a better solution for this. It'll be a hidden element. You won't know what's in there until you open that up. Another little envelope that I made out of map pages. You know, the map pages that have no map on them, I like using those just to make plain envelopes. A little belly band with a little flip pocket. And that's the end of the journal. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.